First hospital visit. Baby Ethan is sick. He has a fever. His mom takes him to the children's hospital for the first time. There are many children there. All are waiting to see a doctor. Some children are 2 or 3 years old. Some are even younger. One baby is just a few weeks old. Her dad is carrying her in a basket. She is crying. But Ethan is not crying. He is playing with the toys in the waiting room.
Story 2. A better idea. One day, my sister and I found a coin on the street. I said, "Here, you take it." And my sister said, "No, you should have it." But then we saw an old man on the street. "Let's help someone," said my sister. We gave the coin to the old man. My sister and I looked at each other and smiled. We felt very, very good.
Story 3. Grandma's Chicks. My grandma loved little chicks. When the salesman came to our village with his little chicks, she carefully picked 10 chicks to bring home. Somehow, she had a way of choosing the chicks that would grow up to be hens, not roosters. We loved to help her take care of the baby chicks too. Day by day, the little chicks grew bigger. After 8 months, they laid their first eggs.
Story 4. World of Light. Long ago, people used candles to see at night. But now, we have electric lights. It seems like our whole world is filled with lights. There are lights of all colors. There are big lights that light up soccer fields, and there are little flashlights too. We have so many lights that you can see them from space. Maybe we should turn out a few lights.
Story 5. Our Moon. Let's go to the moon. What do we need to take? We need to take air to breathe. There is no air on the moon. We need to take water to drink. There is no water on the moon. We need special clothes, too. Why? It is cold on the moon. When we get there, we will look back to Earth and say, "Wow, what a beautiful place we live in."
Story 6. Bookworm. Do you know what a bookworm is? Is it a worm that lives in a book? Yes, there are worms that like books. Can worms read books? Of course not. Bookworms just like to eat the paper. Bookworm has another meaning. When a person really loves reading books, we call that person a bookworm too.
Story 7. Want to fly? Birds can fly. Bees can fly. Many kinds of insects can fly too. But people can't fly. Long ago, people tried many ways to fly. But people are not birds. People are not insects. What did they do? They made a big balloon. They put a basket on the balloon. They filled the balloon with hot air, and up they went. Look! Look way up in the sky. What's that? It is people flying in a hot air balloon.
Story 8. Teddy. Teddy is my friend. He is a brown teddy bear. He has two big brown eyes. He wears red shoes and a blue hat. Wherever I go, I take Teddy with me. He sits beside me in the car. When I go to sleep at night, I put Teddy beside me. Teddy is only a toy, but Teddy is really my best friend.
Story 9. Ladybug. I am small. I have 6 legs. I can be red or brown or orange. I have black dots on my back. I have wings. I can fly. What am I? I am a ladybug. People say that I bring good luck. If you see a ladybug, count the spots on its back. You will have good luck soon. Farmers like me a lot. Why? I eat many bad bugs that farmers do not like.
Story 10. Mr. Fox and the Tree. Mr. Fox plants a tree in the spring. He takes care of the tree, and he even talks to it every day. It makes him smile. His friend Danny does not understand. "Why are you talking to the tree?" asks Danny. "I'm helping it grow," says Mr. Fox. "But the tree cannot see or talk." Danny still doesn't understand. "But it can feel, and so can I," says Mr. Fox.
Story 11. Crossing the Street. When Mario came to China for the first time, he couldn't cross the street. There were too many cars, buses, and bikes. Even at the traffic lights, he was afraid to go. Mario was smart. He waited until many other people started to go. Then he put himself in the middle of the crowd. He safely crossed the street.
Story 12. Colors of the Rainbow. See that rainbow in the sky? It's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. Red on the top, then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and then purple at the bottom. Every rainbow has these 7 colors. These colors are always in the same order. Red on the top, purple on the bottom.
Story 13. Farm Animals. I live on a farm. I'm only 8 years old, but I can do many things. When I get up in the morning, I feed the chickens. I open the gate for the sheep. I give the goats water. In the afternoon, I gather the eggs and I brush the horses. In the evening, I bring the sheep back. Once, I saw a baby goat being born. That was amazing. I love my life on the farm. Story 14. Easter Egg Hunt. In Canada, we celebrate a holiday called Easter. It is a springtime holiday. My sister and I love Easter because we get to go Easter egg hunting. An Easter egg is chocolate that is shaped like an egg. The Easter Bunny hides Easter eggs for us to find. This is called an Easter egg hunt. It's a lot of fun.
Story 15. School Bus 1. Karen likes the big yellow school bus. When Karen sees her sister get on it every morning for school, she wants to ride the bus too. But her mom says, "Karen, you are too young. You need to eat more, sleep more, and play more. Then you will grow big enough to ride that big school bus." Karen understands, but she wants to be a big girl soon. Story 16. School Bus 2. From then on, every day, Karen asks her mom, "Am I big enough to go to school now?" Her mom says, "Not yet." One day, Karen's mom says, "Karen, you are a big girl now. It's time for you to go to school. Tomorrow, you can ride the big yellow school bus with your sister. Are you ready?" "Yes!" Karen is very excited. Her dream to ride the big yellow school bus will come true.